1. Say your ABCs backward. Nope, it's not an IQ test, but it is a strangely reliable way to chill. Saying the alphabet in reverse temporarily shifts your focus from worrying about your upcoming date or pending performance review. It's fine to play tricks on yourself once in a while. Counting backward can also do the trick. 2. Visualize what you want or need. Creative visualization is a mindfulness exercise developed by Shakti Gawain in her book Creative Visualization. The technique involves mentally imagining what you want to happen in your life or how you want to feel. It can slay stress fast. 3. Close your peepers. A little darkness behind your lids can help shut out the external factors causing you trouble. Stressors may look a little different when you open your eyes, ready to face the world again. Treat your body to some respite. 4. Massage your hands rather than wringing your hands with worry, treat them to a little TLC instead. Just a 5-minute hand massage could help relieve anxiety, one study shows. Trusted source. Rub your favorite cream into your palms. Massage each joint and the webbing between each finger. Clench and release your fists. Then flex your wrists. The stretch will help relieve tension from endlessly tapping at your keyboard or scrolling through your phone. 5. Try acupressure when you're already stressed. The last thing you might want is more pressure. But acupressure may help alleviate anxiety, according to a recent study. Trusted source. Acupressure is like the non-poke Y version of acupuncture. It aims to stimulate the body's natural healing processes. Use your fingers to find the 2 divots where your neck muscles attach to your skull. Press firmly for 15 seconds to relieve neck tension. 6. Roll a tennis ball under your feet. Borrow Fido's gross toy for just a minute unless it's got slobber on it. A lacrosse or golf ball will do the trick too. Gently roll the ball under your arches, stopping to apply more pressure when you find a tender spot. 7. Take your frustration out on a stress ball. It's okay to be angry at times. Stress can bring on rage, and what's important is how you deal with that fiery emotion. It might be tempting to throw your laptop out the nearest office window or lay on your horn in traffic, but squeezing a stress ball is a safer and cheaper option. 8. Splash cold water on your face. Head to the loo and turn on the cold tap. Cool your hands and face with H2O and dab some on your pulse points. Cold water has an energizing effect. But it can also calm you if your body temp is rising after a sticky convo with your partner or a beef with your boss. 9. Massage your scalp. Is your to-do list making you want to pull your hair out? Hair tugging is actually a massage therapy technique that can help reduce head tension and bring on relaxation. Pull your hair gently so that you feel the scalp lift slightly. Follow up with a light massage of the scalp. Make space for yourself. 10. Find some alone time. A hot soak in the company of bath bombs and candles might sound perfect, but any space that gives you privacy will work. All you need is 5 minutes of alone time to get you a wee bit closer to calm. Hey, press that I button to watch similar helpful videos. Please like, share and subscribe to Everyday Infotainment. And if you have any suggestion, feel free to comment.